Imagine what it feels like to know something is wrong with your health. You're not sure if it's serious. You're afraid to find out. You don't have a regular doctor. You have no medical insurance. Maybe you work in a low-wage job with no benefits, or perhaps you were laid off and lost your insurance. What would you do? Where would you go? Would you wait and hope it didn't get worse? What if it was your child who was sick? In Spokane County, more than 50,000 people face these terrifying decisions. They live without health insurance, hoping and praying they don't get sick or hurt. But there is somewhere they can turn, a place where people will treat them with dignity. That place is Christ Clinic, a medical clinic providing primary care for those with limited or no medical insurance. Thanks to the services provided by dedicated volunteers, fees at Christ Clinic are kept low. Patients pay for care based on their income and number of dependents, and the remaining costs are covered by donations from generous individuals, churches, and businesses. Christ Clinic opened its doors in 1991, staffed by volunteer physicians. We grew and added paid staff along with more volunteers, but because of limited space, had a waiting list to admit new patients. For every person who had to wait, there was a chance that an illness went untreated or that a person suffered unnecessarily. So we created a vision for a new building, one designed for healthcare, accessible by public transportation, and large enough to meet the growing need. But we knew we could not do it alone. We needed others who shared our vision to make it a reality. As it has many times through the years, Providence Health Care stepped forward to help. These Providence ministries, such as Sacred Heart Medical Center, Holy Family Hospital, and 10 other healthcare organizations in Eastern Washington, understood our mission to care for the poor and vulnerable. The $500,000 grant from Providence, paid over a 5-year period, covered half the construction costs for the new Christ Clinic building that opened in November 2008. The increased capacity has allowed Christ Clinic to more than triple the rate at which we accept new patients. Providence has provided us with other support as well. They identified access to mental health services for the uninsured as one of the greatest needs in our community and provided funds for us to hire a nurse practitioner specializing in mental health care. At Christ Clinic, we are blessed and fortunate to have the commitment of valued supporters. We give special thanks to Providence Health Care, our partner in serving those in need in Spokane.